Hello, good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. Today is the last day of the first week of January. It is Friday, January 10th, 9:18 a.m. We are just coming from a job number, a really good number that has taken everybody by surprise. Um, has created a big spike in treasuries. Now this is the bond market. You know how the 10 here, the 30, this is the 30 minutes, these are the 30 minutes charts for the 10, and this is the daily. 30 minutes for the 30, and this is the daily as well. The break and the 10 has been more significant, and it has taken almost double the range that it has from these 2 days, right, to the downside. And down here is not that much, maybe 50%, because this one has been reacting, have been breaking further than this one over here. Just check what is happening here. Now, for example, the 30, we have it way below the 23 lows, and it may be targeting 24 lows. It may be targeting 23 here. Still there's a long run here to go, but watch out for these markets. This is a movement. This is a second leg. This is 1, 2. This maybe a third leg. I would say the second leg yet of this movement, this downside movement. This, I believe the distance looks the same in both. No. Yeah, the 24 is right here, and the 30 is very closer. Is it? Yeah, and this is the 23 down here. What I have those ones because I think it has become relevant now. I have started to watch it closely. I always monitor these markets, but watching closely or paying close attention since last week. Regarding, I am not checking now these ones here. I'm not doing that. I'm using more the daily here of these markets. I have to go with the markets, right? If you check it daily, I'm going to put it here, for example. I'm going to do here. I guess this is too much. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one here. If you check your dailies here, let's check the daily. Let's check the years, right? It was very obvious. It is very obvious that this in the weekly time frame has become like a very mechanical, and the channel that has formed here is quite obvious, and it has been bought from this one. 59.45 would be the low here. The thing is, if this opening is going to have a lot of information here, because if it opens below 59.17, which is this one actually, this is a weekly low. I'm going to name this also as weekly low as well. It's very important here because if this one holds, we may see something here. Yeah, it doesn't matter. It will be further weakening of this time frame. The 50 here has been traded back and forth, and I have something, this level here. I am calling this level the 58.77, something like that. Or the 50. This area has a go no go. Yeah, this is very important. This area here. This is another. We have one range here, another range here, but this one falls. I could potentially target the previous, this is a go no go level that we have here, which was our July high, and now it is October high, right? This one would be if this level fails here, the potential is the opposite side of this range, and below here at this waiting at this opposite side of this range, there's tremendous weakness here. So if this one collapses here or fails, there is good odds, right? That you may have some down, some continuation here. The scenario, this is not that good really, because down here is where, according to Jim, where really hedge fund managers, they really start to worry, right? Okay, what I'm going to do here now, right? Right now, this looks more like a pullback from these all-time highs. And I still trading market, everything looks good, right? Okay? But the prospects of rate cuts are getting lower and lower now. Lower and lower, with some talking heads forecasting maybe only one rate cut for the rest of the year, or for the whole year, and maybe even now they are starting to think, right, to contemplate the scenario that there could be one rate increase this year. But all this is just talk, right? Don't get too focused on that. What matters for us is what the market does here. In the lower side for this, what we have here, we have this trend line in the daily now, right? We know that the weekly is weak. Now the daily, in the lower side we have 5%, just where the 100 moving average, well, this 100 moving average is 58.52. Let's call that one here, 58.52.50, right here. That's a 100 here. I have another one here, but this is the current contract. This is the adjusted one. We have the election gap that has not been closed, right? It's been bought from that level there. It was bought here exactly, almost to the tick from the trend line here, from this trend line. I haven't put this trend this day. I did this before. I guess it's an extension of something here. Is it? Yeah. I guess no. My bad. This one is here for a while. I just dropped this one down here. Right? It fits. It just fits perfect, right? You can see if you can find this kind of lines, trends. It gives him an idea who is behind those ones. If it comes down here, that is the 5900 right here. Right? This monthly low, which is also a monthly low, by the way. This month low here is 58.98.5. It's right there as well. We now have a current low here, but this is the intra-day. I believe this includes, no, this is this one. Right? The current month, January low is down here, and also is December low, right? And we have a break. We have a trend, session 1 time frame and higher here in the monthly time frame as well. Check your Nasdaq didn't look that good, buying from the 50 here. Probably this is going to be, I don't know if this is going to end here. The Dow is was not having very questionable here. There's a bunch of lows here. There's some potential, and this is the 100 here back and forth. It's not the 50, back on 100. And if this one fails, this gap is closed. Who knows? Maybe the 200 could be the aim for this market. A continuous view of the S&P. We have here the spice, right? This is very, you can see, right? What is this 2, 1, 2, 3 here, buying mechanically from these ones over here in the weekly, monthly, barely has ended one time frame, weakening this low here, and you can see here where this has this level here. Is gaining some kind of relevance. Let's call it what it does. I don't trade this. I don't trade the SPY. Alright, but I'm paying attention, and I use that to check, to have a continuous view of the market. I am checking today also. I come back and checking, have a chart on the side of the bond market as well. That break, if anything, if that market can get back inside the range, that would be something. In here, as today, I am watching this overnight high. There could be something to the upside in the short term. The market is weak, but the inventory here is very short. It's very short, and this high is too the tick for sale. When I see those kind of things, usually there is some reaction here that happen, but no, it's not warranted. Nothing, nobody knows what's going to happen, but I am checking that. All right, market is open. No interest in counteraction, but check this out, man. This is very subtle here, very subtle. The market has opened inside, has rejected the spike, has opened above the spike, above the overnight spike. This is the overnight spike here. It's very, very, very subtle here. Right there, just one tick from the overnight spike. Maybe it could be aiming to the 5,900 here. Inventory is very short, very, very short here. We got the go no go level, and all those views that I have from the market tell me something. I keep zooming in, right, until I get to market profiles here. It's a market to the downside. It's a market to the downside. Traders will be selling rallies here. The previous day was all a rotational day. This is if you have a replay, if your software can give you some replay capability, has replay capabilities, check this day. This is a perfect example of a rotational day. The VIX might be 20 now. How much? 19. What I'm checking here is the very short over inventory here. Really, really very short here. There was no gap, which is also a sign here. No gap, and in this kind of with that kind of numbers. Probably because of these two guys here. Tremendous short inventory here. It's repeating this trade here. I really I'm looking to the upside here, right? But I'm not going to let the market settle. What do we have here? Right now in Atlanta we have like 5-6 inches of snow, so everybody There's school has closed, roads are closed. I mean, there are few cars. Atlanta is not used to this kind of weather, so even when there is 1/2 inches of snow, most schools close. So kids are happy.
Even dogs. No, I'm outside.
Well, mas this is there's some very short inventory here, very weak hand short inventory, juicy, about 500K here. There could be some attempt to check this one, especially for because of this one. That's why I say I was talking early to Yaya here that this overnight, the opening may carry some important, very relevant information now. It has opened. It didn't open below the spike. It did not open inside the spike. It opened above the spike, and that is rejection of lower prices. Okay, that's rejection of lower prices. But traders keep shorting this market, right? Because they see there are very emotional. There's a lot of emotions here, I honestly don't. I guess I'm going to take some. I'm itching to take something here. I want to take some long here, man. But I don't have location here yet. You can see there's some selling here. Buying coming from half back, selling coming from yesterday's low. The market, you can see the market wants to go in one direction. We have a trend actually. Still I'm seeing. It seems so far, right? This 59.60 seems so far, but it's the fact that it's to the tickman here. This is what is catching my attention here. All this rally that we have in the overnight here, and was sold exactly from seller. That's what I'm watching here. Maybe tomorrow. How much is tomorrow's? I mean Monday. Monday 59.60. 59.60. Where are you? 10 points. Okay. This might be better. Okay. All markets are to the downside. Okay. All markets are to the downside. The Russell has come back inside. The Dow has come back inside. We have a question we have here. Russell is, what happened with Russell? Russell is to the downside. Nasdaq has come back inside. All of them has checked the previous day range, okay? Notice how much this drops, right? This drop is about like 14 points, something like that. And here has dropped only one. But because this is Monday, or maybe even this one, 59.40. That could be better. 59.40. I will check that one. 59.40. Monday, 59.40. Okay, let's check. I will check both. I will check both of this. I am looking to the down. I mean, I have no intentions to do anything right now. As suspected, right? Market has set its eyes on the 5900, which is a magic level. Now we have taken current monthly low. Oh, we were talking about that as well. And now, as we speak, all time frames are to the downside. All right, all time frames are to the downside. Monthly, weekly, and daily.
Hello.
Hello, darling. How are you? It's very cold outside. Use something. Oh, my daughter is going to check the weather. Check the snow. We got same volume as Wednesday.
You can't have any fun with that.
No, only to show that.
Trying to have fun.
No te zapatos, hay que esperar.
No, it's good. You can't have fun with me. No, you can't have fun. No, you can't have fun. I'm sorry. Can you explore?
It's my jacket. You have a blue one there.
Oh, thanks. No problem.
Are you sandals? Alright, guys, I'm going to be in mute most of the time because there's a lot of people here walking back and forth. The schools are closed, and also people is not. Also, people is not going to work today. All right. Hey guys, I'm going to cut the stream short today. I just got too much distractions here. I don't want to add another one here to my session. Even the dog is getting in the way. Alright guys, have a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. See you next week.